Welcome back. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your local internet auntie, Auntie Wren, here again with another video. If this is the first time you are gracing us with your presence, hello darling, welcome, come in, settle in. This is a Luxe channel. What we do here, we talk luxury apparel, luxury footwear, luxury handbags, especially luxury handbags and all things luxe and plus size and beauty and all the things. You've been to these type of channels before, so this is nothing unique there. So welcome, settle in, glad you're here. If you are returning, hello darlings, welcome back for another one. This is going to be a good one. This is definitely wish list check off. Cha-ching! We are in here, definitely hitting it hard for 2022. Saw this, could not pass it up. Yeah, we're going to get right into it because you know these videos can get quite chatty, quite long. I don't even know why I put that disclaimer out there. It is what it is. It's going to be long and it's going to be chatty, but you know, but I'm aware. That's what it is. I'm aware of the chatty and the long. So I try to make attempts to, you know, move it along, but yeah. So anyway, all right, intro's over. Let's get into it. So we are brown boxing it. It's brown box life. I'll try to get the brown box up so you can get in the frame, but I will not be taking a thumbnail with the brown box. That's not going to happen. So, well, here we are, brown box. Ta-ting. We're going to get right into it. So this is from Fashion File. I think I'll put it in the title, what brand it's from, but it is from Fendi. This is my first Fendi handbag unboxing. So I've unboxed Fendi things on the channel before, but this is my first Fendi handbag. First Fendi handbag I think I'm adding to my collection, period, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think so. So this is the first Fendi handbag, period. I've got the tabs folded down here so you don't see my address, but basically it's from Fashion File. We love Fashion File. If you've never heard of Fashion File before in your life, it's a luxury site for pre-loved, new, you know, slightly loved, overly loved, vintage luxury pieces. You can also get not just handbags but also any types of accessories. I've never seen apparel on there, but I've seen footwear, sunglasses, things like that. Accessories, yes, but I don't think I've ever seen any real apparel or anything on there. Maybe like scarves and shawls and ponchos, but that's about it as far as close to apparel stuff goes. So that's what Fashion File is. So if you've never seen a Fashion File unboxing before, just give you a little bit of what that looks like. They always do loads and loads of tissue paper, and they give us a bit of confetti. I think my confetti has fell to the bottom. There is an envelope here with the receipt. We will get into that in a little bit. I'm just going to tuck that away. And it usually has stickers on it. Here we go, and the stickers say new, used is the new, right? Yeah, used is the new. So this is the item. This time round, Fashion File provided us with a calendar, which is very nice, with some of their pieces. Ooh, I'm loving that yellow. That's beautiful. With some pieces in it that they've either sold or they do sell. Really beautiful. They're all color blocked, which is really nice. Thank you, Fashion File. We're looking for the, you know what we're looking for. Where is it? I know you're in here. Huzzah! You know what I'm looking for. If you've had a Fashion File unboxing before, I'm looking for the what is this? The nail file that says, I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. Yes, Fashion File with the nail file. That is useless. We love getting it though. If anyone ever wanted to see, this is pretty cool. This just says thank you from the bottom of this box. That's really, really nice. Hope you can see that. There we go. That's really, they do really nice branding, Fashion File. They do lots of little touches to make you feel like, you know, the luxury experience definitely is consistent throughout. So here we are. So in honor of this being a Fendi piece, I wore my Fendi shawl. I don't think I've worn this on the channel for quite some time, but let me tell you, this is another great buy. I wear the mess out of this thing. You can wear this all the way through the summer, winter months, whatever. It's just a great piece. So going to pop the stickers off. Okay, we are opening this like a savage. Can you guess what it is? If you've seen my wish list video, and I'll pop it in the iCards, but if you've seen my wish list video, this piece should be no surprise. This should not be a piece that is a shocker. This is something that I recently just spoke on, and came upon a certain color that was like right up my alley and gave it a buy. All right, you ready? So dust bag is open now. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, wait. Oh my God. All right, let me get it. Guys, oh my God, look at this beauty. Stop the presses. OMG, look at her. Oh wow, oh my God. Okay, so this is holy guac. Oh, the leather smell. Oh my goodness. Wait, Connor, this is for you. Oh, it smells so good. Connor has a channel called The Closet, and he does like memes and jokes and reels about luxury YouTubers and things that they do that are super annoying, and one of them is smelling their bags. I am a bag smeller or bag sniffer, and this one smells gloriously like leather. So this is the Fendi Sunshine Tote in the medium size. Thank God I got it in medium, because if I got it in the big size, we would not be able to fit it, me and the bag, in the frame. I'm not even sure if I'm getting it all now, but yeah, so this is it in the green color. OMG, this is phenomenal, guys. This is a beautiful bag. So this is the first time I'm seeing this size in person. I've seen the smaller ones in person. I've never seen this size in person before. This is beautiful. The handles are stunning. I don't think that any picture that I've seen has done these handles justice. They look like a piece of jewelry. They are gorgeous. They look like a tortoise shell like bangle. So it has a tortoise shell handles with the gold FF Zuka, like FF Fendi logo on each piece there. Stunning. It's entirely leather. There are no feet. So glad to get the medium size. For a time I was really interested in the larger size, but I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm obsessed with this. All right, let's get into it. All right, what do we have going on here? Okay, so there's a label, a little tag here. So this is, let me give you the proper name, the Fendi calfskin plexiglass medium sunshine tote, and it's in excellent condition and comes with the dust bag and the strap. So it did come stuffed. Thank you, fashion. We love it when they ship a bag stuffed. It does have the dust bag in here. The dust bag is a substantial size. Love that. And by the way, if you've never ordered anything from a fashion file, or it's something that's completely foreign to you, they do back up their authenticity. Like, it's lifetime guarantee. So if for whatever reason you find that you bought a piece from them and it was not authentic, they will stand behind that purchase 100%. So just so you know, sometimes some folks will ask, you know, why do you only shop Fashion File for pre-love, or why do you choose Fashion File, not only, but why do you choose Fashion File for your pre-love pieces? And I like that guaranteed piece, you know. So if you know, down the line, you know, 10 years down the line, I take this, my piece in, or my bag, or whatever it is, in to be serviced or what have you, to the actual retailer, and I find that it was, for whatever reason, not authentic, that I could reach back out to Fashion File and be able to get that resolution. That gives a bit of peace of mind when you're purchasing pre-love, because like eBay and so on, even though I know tons of people who shop on eBay, and they find fantastic deals. You know, I'm always like, there are some pieces that are not authentic that are done so well, that, you know, if you're not trained or what have you, it can be very tricky to purchase on eBay unless you have, you know, a reputable authenticator, or, you know, you feel super comfortable, you know, I don't know if you know the seller or what have you, but unless it's like someone that I know or what have you, or I'm buying from Fashion File, I'm really leery about like eBay and so on. So I love buying things from Fashion File. Probably could get some of the bits on like more of a discount if I shopped eBay or what have you, but I like that peace of mind that you know that you're getting at something that's authentic and they'll stand behind it, especially when you're dropping like, you know, thousands of dollars for something. You know, you want that peace of mind. So anyway, so it came stuffed, then it has this beautiful strap that attaches, nice thick beautiful strap in the same green color. Does it say Fendi on it? Yes, it does. Fendi on the clasps. So we're going to go ahead and pop that on, the little rings. There's rings on the inside of the bag. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, nice. Look at that. Oh, so the strap is not adjustable. You know, we don't love a non-adjustable strap. However, it's super thick, super nice, bigger bag. It's falling right at like my hip, so right at the hip length. Don't think that the strap would be something that's user-friendly for my frame, for my body type. I don't know, I'd have to see what it feels like with things in it, but I was totally prepared to not wear it with the strap, so I'm okay if the strap is a no-go for me. But as of right now, it falls in a weird, it falls right at the hip, so it's like bumping right on my hip. So I don't know, we'll see. The jury's out on the strap, but I had no intentions of really using the strap anyway. Inside feels like a beautiful suede. Oh, it has its tags too. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so if anyone wants to see that, it has the original tags. Just these two cards that came, the two tags, the original tags came with it. I'm just checking it out. There's some scratches like on the hardware, but I feel like those are inevitable. They're not going to be something that you can necessarily prevent. So, and it's not like the hardware came with stickers on it. So there are some faint scratches on here. So I want to show you what the inside looks like. There's no pocket inside, no slip pocket inside. Okay. It's like a beautiful brown, like light brown suede inside. It says Fendi all the way down at the very bottom. It's embossed in the leather, as well as there is a tag that says Fendi. I don't know if you can see all the way down in there, if the light will give you that view. But it's, I mean, absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed with this color. This color is my jam for this season. I was just watching all of, oh, happy Valentine's Day, by the way. This video should go out Valentine's, so happy Valentine's to all of my lovers out there. But I was watching New York Fashion Week, some of the you know, the reviews and some of the influencers who have been attending Fashion Week, and color seems to be the common thread through all of the different shows, all of the different fashion trends coming up. Lots and lots of color. So, and I did commit to adding some more color to my collection. So probably not as bright as some of the things that we've seen on the runways and on some of the influencers channels lately, or on their feeds lately, but I'm obsessed with this color. It suits me quite nicely, and I can see transitioning this into my wardrobe really nicely right now. So let's go through some of the logistics, some of the bits. Oh my gosh, oh my god, it looks so pretty. This green is stunning. All right, so we're gonna go into the billing envelope to just see what we're working with here as far as cost. So why did I get this in Fashion File as well and not buy it from the Fendi site, is that I didn't see this color anymore. So I don't know if this color was discontinued, but I really wanted this green. And I also, well, I was going back and forth with a couple of colors, but I was really kind of obsessed with the green, and I kept going back to it, and they had it at Fashion File. So I was like, yeah, okay, why not go for it? So what was the total? What was the price on this one? So this was $2,640 US with, I had a coupon for $100 off. So it ended up being $2,540 before tax. Whereas the full price one in the medium size right now on the website goes for $2,950. And I'll put up the stock image or the online image up on the screen so you can get a look at it, but they don't have this green color anymore. There's gray, there's cream, there's all these other, you know, beautiful colors, but not this green. So yeah, this is how much I paid for this piece. I don't know, this strap though, like, it's not, I don't know, the strap is not giving like what the rest of the bag is giving, right? So I don't know, the strap might get vetoed, but we'll see. I'll play around with the strap a little bit and see how it works out. I have a trip coming up. I will be taking this with me on my trip. I'm obsessed with this. I think it looks great. It's a beautiful, beautiful piece of leather all the way around. I mean, the stitching on it is flawless. I love the stitching in the same color. It looks really, really beautiful. So this was just a quick unboxing to start off the week. Wanted to come through, say happy Valentine's Day, share this pickup that I'm obsessed with. I'm so excited to have in my collection. And I think that's pretty much it. Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when Auntie Wren is here dropping these gems, these quick pickups, these wish list item checkoffs. Oh, that was a mouthful. All right, I hope everyone has a great week wherever they are. Have a wonderful, wonderful Valentine's, and I will check in with you a lot later in the week. Talk to you soon. Bye.